Welcome back to the SK Motorhome Reviews, where we explore the most advanced and futuristic motorhomes in the world. And today we're taking you inside something truly extraordinary. The 2026 luxury motorhome concept that looks more like a moving five-star hotel than a vehicle. From the very first look, this motorhome feels like it has arrived straight from the future. The exterior design is sleek, aerodynamic, and incredibly modern. A massive panoramic glass windshield wraps around the front, giving it a bold and futuristic personality. Smooth body lines, glowing LED light strips, and a premium metallic finish make this motorhome stand out as one of the most luxurious designs ever imagined. But this vehicle isn't just about looks. It's built for ultimate road comfort. With its multi-axle heavy-duty wheel system, the motorhome is designed to provide maximum stability, smoother driving, and powerful road presence. Whether cruising on highways or traveling long distances, this machine promises unmatched performance and control. Now let's step inside, and this is where the real magic begins. The interior feels like entering a modern luxury apartment. The living area is designed with premium leather seating, soft ambient lighting, and panoramic windows that allow natural light to fill the entire space. Smart digital control panels manage everything from lighting to temperature, making the environment fully customizable. Moving toward the cockpit, the driver's area looks like something from a sci-fi movie. A fully digital dashboard, holographic displays, and intelligent driving assistance systems create a futuristic driving experience. Everything is designed to reduce fatigue and provide complete control. Behind the cockpit, the motorhome features a luxury bedroom area designed for ultimate comfort. Soft LED lighting, premium bedding, and a calm modern design create a relaxing environment that feels more like a hotel suite than a vehicle. And of course, this motorhome is built for travel freedom. Imagine driving across scenic highways while enjoying the comfort of a luxury home on wheels. The smooth suspension system ensures a stable ride, while its powerful engineering allows it to handle long journeys effortlessly.